As I mentioned in the first video in this series, table layouts are reusable, and a very useful way of making them accessible to others is to put them into a profile. Let's add a new profile into this model. We'll call that simply tables, and then I'll drag an existing table layout into it. Now I'll also copy the name of the layout. You'll see why in just a moment. Now this next part is optional but is really useful. Let's define a new stereotype. We'll call it satisfaction table. We'll make it applicable to table views, and we'll also make it a new term. Now here's the clever part. In the properties for this stereotype, here you can see I've filtered on the word initial. Now if I scroll right to the bottom, then we can see the properties underneath model stereotype. In the initial layout for tables property, I'll paste in the name of the table layout I copied earlier. That just saves me typing it in. In the initial table scope property, you can see we can override the default, which is project, and set it to owner, that is the owner of the table. And that's it. Now I can right click a package and select add new tables satisfaction table. The layout and the scope are already defined. That's all for now. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to learn more about table views, and as always, look out for more Rhapsody features you may have missed.